Hi guys, welcome to the virtual baking series of Taste of America. Everyone loves baking, but कितने सारे questions pop up होते हैं. How do I make this eggless? How do I make this recipe without egg? So here's my tip for you today. I'm going to show you how to use the Bob's Red Mill egg replacer. It's simple, easy और बहुत ही आसान है. You take 1 tablespoon measurement of the egg replacer. That's 1 egg का replacement. You need to add 2 tablespoons of water to that. Whisk if you like, and it's just gonna thicken up. So however you use your recipe, जहाँ पे भी आप use कर रहे हो, the part जब egg जाता है, आप इस egg replacer को use करोगे. So you can see how simple and easy that is. Literally, you can make your cookies like I've made this cookie eggless with the egg replacer.